Welcome to the Superior Services RSH customer portal, your all-in-one command center for roof management. Designed specifically for property owners and managers, our portal makes it effortless to dispatch emergency repairs with just a few clicks, schedule and track inspections, access detailed reports anytime, anywhere. You can also plan and budget for non-urgent repairs. Monitor progress in real time and message our team directly, all at your convenience. It's fast, it's simple, and it's built to keep you in control of your property's roofing needs with confidence and peace of mind.